In this video, I'll guide you through how to add a Capital One card to Cash App. This process is pretty straightforward, so let's dive right in and get your card linked in no time. First things first, open up your Cash App on your mobile device and log into your account if you haven't already. Having the app ready and logged in will ensure that you're set to go through these steps smoothly. Now, once you're in the app, look for your profile icon, which is usually located in the upper corner of the screen. Go ahead and tap on it. This will take you to a menu with several options, but what you're looking for is the banking or linked bank section. It might be labeled differently depending on your version of the app, but it's typically where you manage your bank accounts and cards. Next, you want to select the option that says Add Bank or Add Debit Card. This is the step where you begin the process of linking your Capital One card to your Cash App account. At this point, you'll be prompted to enter your card details. Carefully type in your Capital One debit card number, the expiration date, the CVV, and any billing information requested. Make sure to double check these details for accuracy because any mistakes here might prevent the card from being added successfully. Once you've entered all the necessary information, the next step is to confirm and save the card to link it to your Cash App. The app might take a moment to process this information, so just be patient. And there you have it. Once your Capital One card is added, you can use it for various functions within Cash App. Whether you're looking to add money to your account, send payments, or cash out, having your Capital One card linked gives you the flexibility to manage your finances right from the app, depending on your eligibility. And that's it. That's how to add a Capital One card to Cash App. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. If you did, consider checking out some of our other tutorials for more tips and tricks to enhance your digital banking experience.